The National Testing Agency (NTA) has restored the Class 12th performance criteria for 75% for qualifying JEE Main 2023, which will be held in two sessions between January 24 to 31 and April 6 to 12, according to the information brochure for the entrance. The requirement was waived off in the previous three editions of the entrance held after the onset of COVID-19 pandemic in 2020. The JEE criteria is also likely to be restored in the JEE Advanced 2023, which is the entrance for admission to undergraduate programs in the IIT. According to the brochure released Thursday, admission to BE, BTech, BArch, BPlanning courses in NITs, IITs, and CFTIs participating through Central Seat Allocation Board will be based on All India ranks, subject to the condition that candidates should have secured 75% marks in the Class 12th examination conducted by their respective board.